Okay, Ad Avenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, but it's not the only way, or, to be honest, the best way. YouTube is half the internet. That's 1.9 billion users logging in every month. But at the same time, 500 hours of video are uploaded to the site every minute. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 ways to earn money from YouTube for free. Before we start the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just getting an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partners have access to multiple income streams, not just video ads, but YouTube Premium subscription fees and features that tap your loyal fans' wallets directly, like Super Chat, channel memberships, and the merchandise shelf. More on these later. To join the program, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. To earn ad revenue, you must be at least 18 years old and you must create advertiser-friendly content. The less controversial your videos, the more YouTube advertisers will be comfortable running ads on them, and the more money you make. If a YouTube Premium member watches your video, you get a portion of their subscription fee. This one is automatic, which is nice. To sell channel memberships to your subscribers, i.e. your fans opt in to pay you an extra amount, you need to be at least 18 and have more than 30,000 subscribers. To sell merch from YouTube's merchandise shelf, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 10,000 subscribers. If you want your fans to have the ability to pay to have their messages highlighted in your live chats during your live streams, you must be at least 18 and live in a country where the feature is offered. As a YouTube partner, your channel will be held to a higher standard, according to YouTube. You have to follow not just the YouTube Partner Program policies, but the community guidelines, not to mention staying on the right side of copyright law. Number 2. Sell your merch. Maybe you identify as a content creator first and entrepreneur second. Just remember that even Drake sells t-shirts. Alternately, you're an entrepreneur first and video creator second, which means you probably have a product and you're designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. Step 1. Imagine and design your product. Merchandise for your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience's connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. Hawaiian YouTube star Ryan Higa launched his milk-based energy drink, Ninja Milk, to leverage the popularity of his viral comedy, Ninja Milk. While he also sells t-shirts and other merch on his online shop, Ninja Milk's appeal is broad enough that it has its own website. You might have more ideas for merch than you can stock, so start by dipping your toes in the water with 1 or 2 items. But make sure you engage your audience in the decision-making process. Poll them as to what they want, or build buzz by offering one-off products related to big subscriber count milestones. Step 2. Source and/or build your product. In most cases, you'll need a manufacturer, supplier, and wholesaler to make and deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you, and some will spare you the headaches of inventory, shipping, and returns by handling it themselves. If you're not sure where to start, check out Shopify's how-to on the topic of finding a brick-and-mortar company to make your dream a reality. Step 3. Create your shop and landing page. You'll need a separate website to handle purchases. If you want to link it directly from your videos, and you do, refer to YouTube's list of approved merchandise sites. Number 4. Enable your YouTube Partner merchandise shelf. YouTube partners can also use the shelf feature to sell their channel's merchandise. If you're eligible, follow the YouTube's instructions to enable it. Step 5. Promote your product in your videos. This is where your charm comes in. Wear or use your merch in your videos. Feature viewers who have bought it and are using it. If we were on another platform, we might call this user-generated content or, possibly, solid gold. Don't forget to say thank you because it's polite. but also because it's an excuse to remind people how great and popular your product is one more time. And don't forget to add your store's link to your video descriptions and include end screens and cards with compelling calls to action. Number 3. Create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be an influencer. The advantage of the #SpawnCon strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earnings. You negotiate directly with the brand, and they pay you directly. No wonder it's a popular way for YouTubers to make money. If you can offer brands a large and/or engaged audience, and your content is relevant to their target market, they probably want to hear from you. For instance, YouTuber Aaron Marino, aka Alpha M, is big in the men's lifestyle space. How big? So big that even his videos that explain his brand partnerships have brand partners. Step 1. Find a brand to partner with. Quality is important when it comes to the names you work with. You probably already have a wish list of dream brands. Whether you're aiming for the stars or building yourself up grassroots style, make sure you perfect your brand pitch before you send it. Also, consider signing up with an influencer marketing platform. These are intermediary websites that help marketing teams find appropriate influencers to work with. For instance, FameBit was one of the first to focus on YouTubers. Step 2. Make a deal. According to this recent study by influencer marketing platform Clear, YouTube videos are, on average, the most expensive type of sponsored content brands can buy from influencers. YouTube influencers can charge more for their videos than they would for Instagram stories or Facebook posts because the video is just more expensive to produce. While your rate will vary on your audience's size, engagement, and relevance to your potential partner, know your worth before you sign a contract. Step 3. Be transparent about your sponsored ad. Sponsored content is advertising. That means you need to make sure you're in step with Google's ad policies. The FTC in the United States and ASA in the UK both have guidelines of which you should be aware of too, if you're American or British. Transparency is good for your legal health, but also your relationship with your audience. YouTube has a visible disclosure feature to help you make sure your audience is aware that you're advertising to them. Number 4. Become an affiliate partner. If your YouTube audience is loyal and engaged, but not quite there yet headcount-wise, look for companies investing in affiliate marketing. YouTubers affiliated with businesses encourage their viewers to visit their brand's online store or specific product pages. They then get a percentage of sales made through their, you guessed it, affiliate links. Number 5. Get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy for making money on YouTube includes a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common. You have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. Step 1. Host live chats where people can use Super Chat. In 2017, YouTube replaced its previous fan funding feature with Super Chat. This is a feature that is only available to YouTube partners while they live stream. Essentially, your viewers can make their comments more visible. They're highlighted and pinned for a set amount of time depending on how much they pay in the live chat stream. Step number 2. Encourage your fans to become channel members. YouTube offers the ability to let your viewers pay you to become members of your channel. In exchange, they get custom emojis, badges, and access to members-only exclusives like live chats with you. For instance, Wintergatan is a Swedish brand that also makes elaborate marble machines and posts videos about it on its YouTube channel. They regularly thank their channel members in their videos. They also make it clear what the money from membership supports. You'll need to build out a promotion strategy to convince people to become members, which may or may not include several tiers of membership. Like Super Chat, this feature is only available to YouTube partners. Step number 3. Encourage your fans to become YouTube Premium subscribers. This step is the last on our list for this strategy because it benefits your channel only indirectly. That said, when YouTube Premium members watch your channel, you get a cut of their subscription fee, and so does every other channel they watch. Thanks for watching, guys! To To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.